This is today's class also related to the complement of the set. Okay, and in this complement of the set we are going to solve more questions, okay, related to it. And first of all, I am going to show you here the solution of one question. That is question number 6I. Okay, in this question universal set is given there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and set A factors of 6, and factors of 6 means those numbers are known as the factors of 6 which can divide 6 exactly. Okay, and factors of 8 means those numbers are known as the factors of 8 which can divide this 8, okay, exactly. And similarly, set C is the factors of 9 means those numbers which can divide this 9 exactly, they are called the factors of 9. After finding that, okay, after finding this, okay, all the elements of the sets given set 1, we have to first of all, number 1, it is asking to show in a Venn diagram. Okay, we have to show them in a Venn diagram. Okay, students, we have to show them in a Venn diagram. And here I am going to show you there. Okay, as I told you, first of all we have tried them, okay, in listing form. Okay, and first one there is asking to show the relation of U, A and A, B and C. U universal A, set B and set C in Venn diagram. First of all, we draw set A, set B and set C. Do you know, children, from which part we start to plot the elements of the all the sets? Do you know?
From the middle.
Yes, we have to start to put the elements from common part of the all set. Which one is the common part of all the set? Look, have you seen my pointer here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this pointer is the common part of the all three sets. We start to put the elements from this part. What is common in all sets? U, A, B, and C. What is common there? 1. 1 is common there, isn't it, Aditya? Yes.
Yes, sir.
We start to plot this one. This where I have shown the pointer. This is the part of what? A intersection B only. We write there 2 here. 2 is the common one. B, A and B only. After that we show the elements of B and C only. B and C there is no common. Okay, only B and C there is no one. And after that we have to show A and C only. That is T. Okay. After that we have to write here common. This look, after putting the common of this all one, now we have to write one remaining of A. Okay. Remaining of A here. Remaining of A means that A only here. What is that? What is that in A only there? 6. Right? And remaining of 6 there is one. Remaining of A is 6 only. And what is the remaining of B here? B sets. What are the remaining elements of set B, Lane?
4 and 8.
4 and 8. Very good. And what are the remaining of set C?
9.
9. Very good. What are the no remaining now of universal set right outside?
5, 7, 10.
5, 7 and 10. These are the remaining of universal set. They should be written outside. Okay, Subodhani? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you understood, Simran?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I am going to find, okay, show you here. After showing them in a Venn diagram, we don't need to show here anyone shading one, okay? Because we are just showing the shades in the Venn diagram only. We don't need to shade here. Just we are showing the relation of universal set, set A, set B and set C in a Venn diagram. Okay, children. After that, now after this, what we have to do? Do you know? We have to find out A union B union C complement. Okay, this there is given C. Okay, at the power we can write a dash also, and we can write there bar also. A union B union C bar also here. Okay, children. And here first of all I am showing here like this. Okay, it's already shown there all. Okay, look. First of all, A union B union C complement means what? Universal set minus A union B union C equals to universal set is over there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and minus what are the elements that you get by combining A, B and C set all. That is the A union B union C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Right? Now when you subtract them, what will come answer there? 5, 7, 10. These are the elements of A union B union C complement. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you understood, Sarita?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I am going to show you the next question. Everybody get ready to do that just now only. Okay, you have to solve that. And wherever you feel difficult, you have to ask me. I will help you. Okay, children? Now the question goes like this. And let's do it. Let's do it. Universal set is given there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Set A is given there 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set B is given there 1, 3, 6, 7. Set C is given there 3, 6, 9. Then we have to show the relation of universal set, set A, set B, set C in a Venn diagram. Then after that we have to find A intersection B intersection C complement. Okay, Sarita? Now do. Simran, now do. Okay? Aditya, now solve it. And I am telling to other children also, okay, keeping the video on, please solve this classwork just now. And when you feel the difficulties, please ask me, I am going to help you. But while solving the questions, please keep the video on. And ask me the difficulty wherever you face it, okay, wherever you face it. Ask me the difficulties. I am ready to help you. Okay, children? I hope all the students are solving this classwork now. First of all, list the element this one. Okay, solution right? Set U, set A, set B, set C right first of all. Okay. Aditya, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you face the difficulty, ask me. I will show here only. Its solution I will show you how to do. Release, are you solving? It would be better if you solve keeping the video on. I can observe from here whether my students are solving or not. And please don't forget to ask me the difficulty. Wherever you face the difficulties, ask me. Okay, your Venn diagram, you will be draw it like this, okay? This is set A and draw this one, okay? This is set B and here draw set C. Aditya, can you tell which one is the common of all?
Sir, 6.
Look here, let's check. Here is also 6, okay? Here is also 6 in set A also. And here is also 6 in set B also. And here is also 6 in set C also. You are absolutely right, Aditya. We have tried here what? Common part of all. Here we have tried what? 6. Good. After that, can you tell what is the common element of set A and set B only? Set A and set B only. Is there anyone?
Sir, 6.
Set A and B only. 6 only. Okay. I am telling 6. This 6 is the common of all. I am telling this one part. Okay. This part is known as the set A and B only. Set A and B, is there any common?
No, sir, there is 6, but 6 is already.
Already done. Now there is no common of A and B only. Okay. Now let's go to find out the common of B and C only. Is there B and C only common?
Sir, 3.
You are absolutely right, Sarita. You are absolutely right. There is 3 common. 3. Here is also 3. Look here. Here is 3, right? And here we will write B and C. B and C. Here is what? Here is B and C. Here you write 3. Here you write 3. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This figure has become a little bit small. I am making them a bit bigger. Okay. Look here. This is set A. And this is set B. And this is set C. Okay, children. We have already plotted there. We have already plotted the 6th one, this common of all. And then we found common of B and C. There is no common of A and B only. B and C only, what was there? 3.
So 3.
Yes. We wrote 3, 6 we wrote already. 6 also we wrote. This 3, 6 also we wrote. And from here also we wrote 3 and 6 also already. Okay. Now what are the common of A and C only, children? What are the common of A and C only?
So nothing.
There is nothing A and C only.
Sir, 6.
Yes. 6 already written, no, there is already written 6. Which you have already written, no need to repeat that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is there? What is there?
So nothing.
Nothing. Now we have to write what are the remaining of set A. Set
Sir,
A, what are the
8, 4, 2.
2, 4, 8, there is 10 also. 2, 4, 8 and 10. Okay, children. Now can you tell what are the remaining of set B? What are the remaining of set B?
1
Children,
and 7.
1 and 7.
1 and 7. 1 and 7. Right where? Here, right. 1 and 7. Okay, children. After that, what are the remaining of set C?
9.
9, right, good. Now can you tell what are the remaining of universal set? This
Sir,
one.
5.
This is the universal set 1, okay. Remaining of universal set there is
Sir, 5.
5 only, because we have written already 1, okay. 2 also written, 4 also written, 7 also written, 8 also written, 9 also written, 10 also written. Now what is left there? 5 only. You understand, children? Now what will you write? Just above this diagram or below this diagram, what will you write? Relation of this, right, okay. The relation of U, A, B and C. Okay, children. And look here, when we find Sakshi, are you understanding? Sakshi? Okay, Aditya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the question that is asking to find this one? Look there. A intersection B intersection C complement, right? What will you do first? Can you tell, look, what is the intersection in all this here? What is the intersection of all? In Venn diagram, look there. What is the 6? Yes. Except these other all remaining elements are the answer of this question. Understood? Understood or not? When you find out, and this one, okay, A intersection B intersection C complement, right, like this. A intersection B intersection C intersection, okay, this is C only. A intersection B intersection C complement means what you have to write here? U minus, what you have to write? U minus A intersection B intersection C, right? Then what is U there? U right there, universal set. Write all that one. 1, 2, okay? And write that dot, 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 dot up to where? 10. Right up to 10. And can you tell what is common in all, children? Minus, what is common in all?
6.
6. Good, very good. 6. Then subtract that, what will come answer? Answer will come except 6 or the all. Right? 1, 2, comma, 3, comma, what will be? 4, 5, but there will not be 6, okay? 7, next what? 8, 9,
9.
10.
10.
Have you understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this we found A intersection B intersection C complement. Okay, should I forward to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to show you the next one question. Look, children, now next question is like this. What will you find here first? In this question, what will you find first? First, you will find A complement, then find B complement, then find C complement, then find out their intersection. Okay, here we don't need to show them in Venn diagram. Here it is not asked to draw Venn diagram, we have to just find. Can you find, children, this?
Yes, sir.
Good. How you will find out? Please, let's solve now.
Sir, we need to show the relation in Venn diagram also.
Is there asking?
Yes, sir.
Where? Where it is
Sir, in
asking?
question.
Question number 63. Question number 63, it is not asked. Look, book also. Question also look. In question also it is not asked to show them in Venn diagram. You just find. You will find out like this. Okay, look here. A complement. Okay. Intersection a bit long. B complement. Okay. And we have got this intersection a bit long. Okay, like this one. B intersection and C complement. How you will find out, children? Look here. First of all, you will do U minus A. This A complement you will do first. U minus A. Universal set minus set A. Okay. And intersection. What you will do here? Next one. Universal set minus what? Set B. Okay, children. And intersection. Universal set minus C. Can you do, children, this one?
Yes, sir.
Isika, can you do this subtraction? Okay. You tell me the answer only then, okay? When you subtract, tell. When you subtract A 4, 5, 6 from universal set, what will you get? Tell. What will you get? What will you get?
Sir,
4,
1 and 7.
1,
1, no, look, A sub 4, 5, 6 only subtract. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3
1,
left.
2, 3, and 7.
1, 2, 3, and 7. Good. 1, 2, 3, and 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 7. Intersection. Now what will you get when you subtract B? Look here. 2, 4, 6 subtract from here. 2, 4, 6 subtract. What is left? 1,
Sir, 3.
1, 3. Next. 5. 5 also. 7 also. 7 also. Intersection. What will you get if you subtract C from, look at C. C, what is there? C. 3, 6, 9.
1, 2, 4, 5, 7.
Oh, sorry, this is upper one question. C, C is what there? 3, 6. 3, 6 subtract. This 3, 6 subtract. 3 and 6 subtract. What is left?
1, 2, 4, 5, 7.
Yeah, 1, 2, 4, 5,
5, 7.
7. Is that remaining of universal set? 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. You are right, children. Now, can you tell what is common in this all? What is common in this all these sets?
Sir,
What
1
is
and 7.
171717. You are absolutely right. Its answer will be 1, 7. Understood, children? Hello, Riva. Have you understood? Nani, have you understood?
Yes.
Good, good. Sarita, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am forwarding to the next question. I am showing you the next question now. Please be ready to do that. Let's do question number 6 IV. Okay, children, look here. Each solution I have already done here. Okay, I will show you. Before that, I want to show you 6B. Okay, 6B. What is 6B here? What will you do there? Tell. First of all, you will find out A intersection B intersection C complement this one. Okay. What is common in all this one? A intersection B intersection C. Can you tell? A intersection B intersection C. What will be its answer? Can you tell, children? What is common of A, B, C here?
Sir, A, B, C, D.
This A, E, here also E. Only E. What is common in all?
Sir, E.
E only. Can you find A intersection B intersection C? Then after you have to find A intersection B intersection C complement. Can you do, children? But that you can find out by using, you have to find out that by using Venn diagram. It means what will be now? By formula you can use like this: universal set minus A intersection B intersection C. Okay, children? You have to draw the Venn diagram and we have to identify which is the common of all, and we have to find out the answer of A intersection B intersection C complement. Means we have to write the answer which is except the common of A, B and C. Okay, children? We have to do this by drawing the Venn diagram. Question number 6B. Are you ready to do next one? This question number 6B you have to do by drawing the Venn diagram. Venn diagram draw and find out A intersection B intersection C, which is the common of all, and what is the complement. Complement means we should not write that common, except common other elements will be the answer of this A intersection B intersection C complement. Okay, children? Now I am moving to the next one. Look there. Here I have shown the solution of one question. This 6BI also you do yourself. Okay. Here also you have to show the Venn diagram, then find out A intersection B intersection C complement. Draw the Venn diagram and find also. A intersection B intersection C find, then find out its complement. Look, I am showing this question number 6 IV. IV, look here, I have done here. A is drawn. A is drawn inside B. A is drawn inside B. Do you know why? Because all the elements of set A lies in set B. A is the subset of B set. A is the subset of B set. That's why the set A is drawn inside set B. Okay, when you show the relation of set A and set B, we have to show like this. After that, we have to look here, find out this one. Look here, children. I have shown here A union B union. Look, A union B complement. Find out, and then find out A complement intersection B complement. Look there. Here it should be here. Here should be intersection. Okay. Here should be intersection. I want to show you once again here. Children, look here. Here should be the intersection 1. Okay, children. Here we have to put here intersection. Right? Here put intersection 1.